every single one of us, even those of us who come from mixed race families, have our own prejudice. I mean, it's just, that's a fact. And to say that we're not is a lie. And that's, I believe, and this is my belief, and others could disagree with me, but this is across the board. I mean, this is, and I'm not going to go on with this anymore because this is almost more of a philosophical question, which I could take an awful lot of our time. But it is really one of the most burning questions of our day with justice in our courts. And you're right, we are not we don't have as many people of color, but there are other ways that is measured as well. Anyway, well, that will be the rest of my questions. Thank you so much, Councilor Jubenville.
Thank you. Councilor Jubenville?
Minute. Hello. We're going to be breaking, I believe, for the General Assembly at 11 o'clock. Am I right on that, Lauren?
Correct. We'll be starting assembly in about 1 moment.
Okay, so we're just going to go on a little break from the session. Judge, you're free to enjoy the General Assembly.
Councilor Jubenville.
We'll get right back to you.
Councilor Jubenville, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I was just wondering if I could just make a statement. I'm actually in Taunton court waiting to be called for trial.
You can make a statement.
So I just wanted to say that I spoke with the judge and I will be voting for him. He's a superb choice. He comes highly recommended by so many people from so many different walks of life. So I want to thank him for stepping up to offer to go to the Superior Court. You don't see that often with district court judges. So I'm pleased to vote for you next week, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're going to begin.
It's terrible. I can't even hear it. It's very hard. I tried to hit that, but it didn't do anything.
All right. We're going to be starting the assembly really soon.
Did you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. You want to start the video?
Oh, jeez.
You're fine, you're fine.
That's okay. That's all right. I'll take you over that. I'll take you over.
All right, I'm in the other room, but they can hear you.
It's like having a steering contest.
I think the nominee today is actually in Taunton Court doing his hearing.
You know, we're busy here today. Crazy.
Mm.
There's
So-
no writing though. It's good.
Are you in Taunton, Joe?
I am in Taunton, yes.
I think he said that in the beginning.
I don't have the office that the judge has though. I got a conference room.
Well, that's good.
It's good, yeah. We're getting things done. Hopefully get a trial today.
How many judges there today?
2, I think. McManus is downstairs, and I think I heard Horahan's here. I'm not even sure.
Well, if you see Judge Horahan, tell him I give him a solid C+.
All right, I didn't put him on. McManus did well though downstairs. He's doing fine.
Judge Horahan's brother lived across the street from me for 25 years. Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Just,
Hello, elderly.
Let's see. Good morning.
good morning.
Morning.
How's everyone doing today?
Good.
All right. Do we have everybody and do we wish to start? Okay. So I'd like to call our assembly to order. I recognize Councilor Kennedy for our prayer and pledge today.
Good morning, Governor. Good afternoon. Good morning, Governor. We obviously, many of us had a very, very late night last night. And we still don't know who the President of the United States is going to be in January. But I just want to say that no matter who it is, that we all pray that somehow whoever it is able to govern and bring this country together, because what's very obvious about what's happening with that vote is that the country continues to be incredibly divided. And I hope whoever's in that in the White House in January is able to bring us together, and that's what I ask us all to pray for.
Amen.
I pledge allegiance to the
The
flag
flag of the United States of America
And
and to the republic for which it stands,
one
of
nation.
the nation, under God,
God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay. I recognize Councilor Hurley for a motion to record advice and consent for the financial warrant.
So move.
Second,
There's a motion and a second. All in favor, say aye.
aye.
I recognize Councilor Ferreira for a motion to record advice and consent for the pending list of notaries public and justices of the peace.
So move, Governor.
second,
There's a motion and a second. All in favor, say aye.
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 Bob, I just want to point out you're muted.
Okay, thanks.
That's what friends are for. I recognize Councilor Duff for a motion to record advice and consent for the appointment of Stephen B. Geary to the position of Associate Justice of the Lowell District Court.
It's with great pleasure that I make that nomination, Governor.
I second that.
Second.
And Lieutenant Governor, I just like to speak on this nominee. I have to thank everybody. I'm so glad that he reapplied, because sometimes when someone is not appointed and they see who was appointed, they don't apply again. And he did. And we would have lost someone really great. He is everything that I look for. Besides being an outstanding judge, he has compassion. He has empathy. He's just what we need on the bench. I'm very proud to be voting for him today.
Thank you, Councilor. Okay, we may commence the roll call.
Counselor Duff,
Yes.
Counselor Kennedy,
Yes.
Counselor Hurley,
Yes.
Counselor Ferreira,
Yes.
Counselor Jubenville,
Yes.
Counselor Devaney.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, we have a new nomination. We were proud to nominate Justice Dalila Wendlandt to the position of Associate Justice of the Supreme Judicial Court. Yesterday, you heard her accept that nomination, and we'd like to schedule a hearing for Justice Wendlandt. Would you have a date in mind for that?
Whose is it?
It's Councilor Devaney.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Lieutenant Governor. No, it's a busy time. It's Thanksgiving and everything. So the day I could see would be the 18th
Perfect.
Okay.
at 10 o'clock.
All right, the 18th of November at 10 o'clock. All right, I know you have a busy schedule. It's a lot on your plate, so thank you very much for your hard work. You've got a lot of important positions to fill, and I know you have a hearing underway now with Attorney O'Shea, so thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Stay
Thank you
safe,
for your
everyone.
hard work, Lieutenant
Stay safe.
Governor.
Okay, thank you, bye-bye.
Okay, we'll get back to the meeting. Judge O'Shea. There he is.